Hi, wanna know how to fix phone calls issue on your Sony WF-C700N? So, the first thing that we can try is to go to the settings on our phone and then open Bluetooth settings. In my case, they are located in the connections tab. Here, we would need to find our WF-C700N and make sure they are connected to our phone. Then click on this settings icon and here make sure that this setting named calls is enabled. And if you can see it like this, click on this slider to enable the calls, and now your problem should be solved. But if that didn't help, we can try a second way. For that, we would need to swipe down and here find this media output. Here, make sure that on the media output, you are not on your phone, which is looking like this, but on your earbuds, which should look like this. You should be able to see this volume slider under the name of your earbuds, which also should be blue. And if none of these help, you can try to do a factory reset. How to do it, we also have the video on our channel. And if even the factory reset didn't help, there is a chance that you would need to take your earbuds to the service center. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.